Hey folks, this is just a quick update on the federal court case. I'm in federal district court right now. Numerous developments have happened since I filed my lawsuit in the Tampa federal district court. While I have not served all of the defendants, I have served the most egregious and malicious offenders in the case. Judge Lewis and retired Judge Mansfield, along with two of the banks, have been served. The federal judges have attempted to use colorable law, which is fake law being used that's not consistent with the Constitution, to circumvent and curtail my ability to exercise my rights and get things done in this case. I, in return, have rebuked that activity and let those judges know that I will not accept those tactics in this case. I have boisterously expressed that I will use the Constitution as my template and let the judges know their jurisdiction is over the defendants, all represented by counsel so far, and not over me, a living man who stands sui juris in this case. I also rebuked the attempt by defense counsel to lay me as a pro se litigant, which would place me under the judge's jurisdiction and back under the Admiralty law, where colorable law could be used and applied in place of my constitutional rights. It has been 3 years since I started acquiring evidence of violations of the law by banks, the courts, Bar Association, and other agencies, all working together in lockstep to acquire people's property, take from the citizens and the people of the country, and put it into the coffers of the billionaires and the elites. That's basically what's going on here. Throughout the process, I have given every single defendant a notice and an opportunity to follow the law, but each and every one has chosen to follow their default behavior in supporting the criminality by the banks. I advise the court that I am prepared to go before SCOTUS if any more violations of my rights occurs, and let's see if they support the Constitution or the criminality that's been going on through the court system. And I believe that it's been a default for almost every district court and state courts to support the banks and the criminality that's going on, the fraud that they're perpetrating against the people. And I'm standing up as a living man and not as a corporate entity, which when they put your name in all capital letters, you are not considered a living, breathing man or woman. You are considered a corporate entity, which gives them the ability to use Admiralty law and apply it to you, and to also bring you under the doctrine of parens patriae, which automatically places you under the jurisdiction and control of the judge. And the judges, by default, will not do the right thing unless they're held to account and advised that you are not subject to those rules. So let's see how this thing goes. I'm excited, and I've already been hearing from some of the representatives of the defendants, and I'm trying to work through case management and get things moving along. I plan to allow at least one proposal from almost each of the defendants. There may be a defendant or two that I won't accept proposals from because I want kind of to bring them in front of a jury and let a jury know what they've been doing, what they've been up to, and show documents of their lawless behavior and their egomaniacal decision-making processes, which are just serious errors in judgment to support criminals that they know are engaged in fraud and criminal activity, and they support it because it's lucrative for them. And supporting me would not make her or him one penny, those judges. So I totally get the financial aspect of it, but the constitutional aspect is where I'm concerned, because I've asserted my constitutional rights, which should have exempted me from their behavior to support the banks and the criminality. And what they did was they completely ignored those assertions and my rights, and went ahead and supported the criminality. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this goes. Thank you for listening. If you want to see more videos, please like and share, and get some support going, because rallying support will also help me, not just morally, but also in a real life way. The more that the courts and these individuals see that people that stand up against them are being supported, the less power they have over us. So anyway, God bless all of you. Thank you.